What your body really does while you sleep? It's not resting, it's repairing you from the inside out. Your brain starts a deep clean, flushing out toxins that build up while you're awake. Your muscles repair tiny tears caused by daily stress. That's why sleep is key for growth and recovery. Your immune system kicks into overdrive, hunting down viruses and rebuilding white blood cells to keep you safe. So the next time you pull an all-nighter, remember, you're not skipping rest, you're skipping repair. Sleep isn't lazy, it's survival.